What was good about Nuki is now even better. We asked our community and learned from experience. The result is the Nuki Smart Lock 2.0. Precision engineered in Europe, it can still be installed in less than 3 minutes. And now it's also compatible with knob and oval cylinders. One of the Nuki users' commonest wishes was the facility of an access code. So now there's the Nuki keypad. Together with the fob, Nuki thus offers the perfect solution for every application. Compatible with iOS and Android smartphones, Nuki is also the most flexible smart lock in Europe when it comes to integration in existing smart home systems. It communicates with all smart speakers, and not forgetting how brilliantly it can interact with Apple HomeKit. Yet another of our community's big wishes fulfilled. A lot has also happened under the hood. The faster processor has yielded a roughly 3-fold increase in speed of communication with the smart lock. Bluetooth 5 significantly increases range and improves the auto unlock experience. And regarding flexibility, it's now possible to assign up to 200 access permissions. Also revolutionary, the new door sensor. With this, the Nuki Smart Lock reports not only the status of the lock mechanism, but also that of the door. Turn your smartphone into a key, make your door lock smart with the Nuki Smart Lock 2.0. One smart lock for all.